Yo. GTS24 is GatieTrades System 2024. I'm just executing my model. Just wanted people to know that like I'm just here showing how I trade my trading system and nothing more, you know? Sorry about that. Let's wait for some people to join. What's up, Benedict? Appreciate you coming back, my brother Money Glitch. Good morning to you, my man. Hope everything's doing well. Chico, what's up, brother? Ryan Smith, my man, coming every day, bro. I'm fine. Hope you having some really strong content. Like and follow her here. Appreciate you, my man. Let's make it happen, brother. Let's make it happen. Locked in, man. We are locked. Fucking. Nope. I trade PM sometimes. I can trade PM sometimes. Do. Okay. Just sending out some final message. Someone said, I fucking love you, Ryan. Honestly, bro, I had zero clue. Well, just gotta wait for more information then, my brother. If you don't know, just wait. You know, there's no rush. You don't have to know right now. I'll go over what I see, and you let me know if it helps clear things up or if it doesn't really do much. As long as you just trust your instincts, I'll show you. Looking for shorts, bro. I'm just waiting for some more people to join. Then I'll cover what's up for, in my opinion, what I'm looking for. Okay. Look at the display. Looking for shorts. I think intraday says shorts, but I haven't even checked the charts yet, to be honest. All I know is there's a news candle, or am I on YM? Okay. So let me just duplicate this tab real quick and get a NQ tab. Okay. So Pius, my man, Okay, so what do I see? Let's start on the weekly. We've taken previous week highs so far, trading lower. However, what is this? Why is this on gold futures? Okay. We've actually almost taken previous week low on ES, right? I probably expect that low to get taken. What's up, Mohammed, my man? I'm watching if market tap 500 BTC Asian highs. Okay, valid. And I'm gonna cover what I'm looking for now, my personal opinion. So we've taken previous week high. We have inverted the weekly, but we're coming back. We've never inverted the daily fair value gap. Wait, we did? Oh wait, NQ and NQZ had a big discrepancy, I remember. Yeah, so we never inverted the daily. But we are moving lower from the daily. We are below the swing low. It'll be a Wednesday reversal. Thursday, Friday expansion, lower in terms of daily profiles. So this previous week low SMT coming into the weekly volume imbalance. Yeah, it's a tough one because we might have to just go off like 9:30 a.m. 10, just because we're gonna get an SMT here, but it hasn't come yet. We are tapping into a daily fair value gap and discounts. We are taking out the swing low. I feel like this could be manipulation for NFP tomorrow. Like it's harder because it's NFP week. If this was any other week, I would just be bearish. But because you kind of expect like an extreme manipulation and an extreme distribution. What's up, Miguel? Good morning, brother. Guru, what's up, my brother? Appreciate you coming through, man. A lot going on here. Might sit this one out, David says. Yeah, valid, bro. That would be valid. I mean, for now, I think we're gonna aim for these lows. I think they're too clean, but now let me check something. If I sync the time, can I, what is it? Sync time. Can't sync anything. Just gotta sync the crosshair on the interval. Oh, that go 5 minute? It goes to 5 minute. Can I still move my chart freely? Yes. Okay, we're in business, boys. Hi, man. Good morning, brother. All caps. Fucking love you, my man. Good morning, my man. Everything's doing well. I mean, those Asia highs look pretty good. So do the relative equal lows here. If we come up, take Asia high. Yeah, I'm honestly I'm down for shorts, but it is not that clean. It is not that clean. I think the relative equal lows are very, I mean, the equal lows. It took me, I mean, was trading it properly and like I didn't full port or anything, followed all my rules. I passed it in pretty much 1 month. Like just before the 30-day mark. We passed it with a couple days left. Obviously, bro, I'm the world's best combine trader. You haven't learned. Those are my best. Risk was 250, 200 I did. Valid. That's valid. What's up, Pablo, my man? That's really good, man. After Apple's earnings, later on, sure we'll see something more solid. Probably Asia M, London M, New York D. I mean, be London low of day. Daily profile's forming as if it was London low of day. There's just no higher time frame key level here, so it's not valid. But if there was like a 4 hour fair value gap resting right here, there's a 4 hour bearish fair value gap, but for us to come all the way down here and yeah, there's a 4 hour value imbalance, the day opening gap, and there's a 4 hour inversion. not a clean. It's not a clean. Like it's not the best thing you want to frame a trade off of. What's up, Reeks? Appreciate you coming back, brother. Yeah, like I've seen cleaner. I've definitely seen peak level 4 hour line balance. I mean, I just have to go off the intraday structure here. I mean, it is and it is before NFP. Now, obviously, we had a CPI candle. That's why I'm trading today. It's my one exception to trading before ES weekly low. I think we can get another like lower potentially. Just because it's perfect equal lows. I don't think I've ever. One sec, just got a text from Nvidia. First of all, I don't know who's spelling it. I don't know who would be spelling the video like that, but no, this is Nasdaq. What's your bias? My bias is wait for 10 a.m. and yeah, I remember Reeks. You think you unlock the enigma, brother? I mean, we are pretty much too much in a discount to short. Well, not for the week. Like, I mean, honestly, guys, we might just have to go based off of like. I'll tell you where I think price can go. We can definitely take out these relative equal lows. We can also definitely come out and take Asia highs and continue to expand. Wouldn't favor that though. I really wouldn't favor that. It's just the fact that Asia highs, really, that's it. But you know, we might just have to wait till 10. Almost as long after 10 a.m. You have PMI at 10 a.m. Oh, okay. So PMI is a big candle. Every time I wait for 10 a.m. news, I miss the fucking move. And every time I don't wait, I get destroyed by news. So not every time. I'm salty from the last couple times. But we'll make it work. You're definitely favoring shorts. 4-hour inversion swing short that shit. 4-hour inversion short. This? I feel like we tried it for long. Yeah. I'm just just the fact that we've been so bearish on a day like this, I feel like whoa, if you go to the 1 minute chart, it looks so different than the 15. Where's our gap? It's all the way up here. We're just in a deep, deep discount, you know? Let's mark it out on both assets here. The reason it's difficult is because, our macros perspective was pretty difficult because, are we going to all-time highs or are we going to keep that SMT there and just sell off? Like ES is in the weekly volume imbalance. It definitely could go higher for another run, all-time highs. It's the end of the month, so you're probably even gonna get that much movement. It'll probably just go higher. Like, you know what I'm thinking? It probably just goes back into the range. But then we have NFP tomorrow. But that would be starting tomorrow's month. Because it's the last day of the month, I feel like I favor just staying in the range. And if this is the daily range, it is what it is. But if we come up, take like a low, if we go down, I'm gonna look up. And if we go up, I'm gonna go down. That makes sense. You think back to all-time highs? Maybe in November, but I don't think in October. Only 2 days left. Macro perspective is pretty bullish, but yeah, I don't think I'm leaning towards shorts though. The daily candle can flip. That's another story. London low of day is possible. Like if we came down here, took out this low 50-minute fair value gap, I'd go long. I think I'm leaning towards longs right now. I think I'm leaning towards longs. What you mean 2 days left? What did I say? Today's the last day of the month, so if you want to kind of macro. Reeks, you're onto something, but let me tell you where the macros came from. The macros didn't come from because like time frame. That calculation, it doesn't come from like that. The 20-minute macro is just because that's when the algorithmic delivery spools. That's when the algorithm spools. It is. I don't think it has to do like. I don't think you'd have any other macros than those. You know. I mean, unless ICT is hiding macros that we don't know about. We did inverse the hourly. I think I'm leaning towards longs. Yo. ICT told me don't trade until 10 November. Well, good luck, my brother. If you don't want to trade, that's okay. Yeah, I think I'm leaning towards longs. $9.30 Judas model. Today, guys, my only objective, obviously, to follow my rules, but my main objective here is to, if my model presents itself, just take the fucking trade. We're bearish until we take that daily low on ES. I think we're gonna take it right now. Yeah, we just took it. We get the S&T there, and the 50-minute fair value gap here. If we respect this 50-minute fair value gap, I'll even go long before 10. To be honest, 50-minute fair value gap. That's your mitigation block. Looks like we might take the low on both. Yep, we are running right through that shit. So unless we start to wick, that is valid, Reeks. Why long? I'm expecting us to stay inside the range. If we short, then we're expecting the monthly candle to flip bearish and come all the way down, which is possible. But I feel like we maybe don't have an expansive day. We don't have an expansive day. Don't get caught in chop. Usually I trade NFP at 10:30. Usually my best setup forms either 10, 10:50. If we can wick all the way above the 15-minute fair value gap, I'll go long. That's gonna be a lot though. A lot to ask. We have the hourly fair value gap here. I'm not trying to catch a falling knife or anything, but let's see. And if we start moving higher from this, yeah, I mean we hit a 4-hour imbalance, took out the low, order block, and we're 9:30 Judasing, so very, very heavy at 9:30. So unless I see very heavy movement higher, obviously we don't need to take a trade today, but if we see very heavy move higher, then we can, you know, For a potential long, target the relative equal highs. I believe that's also data highs up there. So I'm looking at this hourly imbalance here. After taking out the sell side inside, we can get like an inversion and a bullish fair value gap. I'll go long. That'll make my rules. Get above the Thursday new day opening gap. Your daily volume imbalance for ES. So I'd want to see that get respected, and you got your order block on the daily there as well. Could be nice, could be nice. I'll look for a long potentially. First step would be an inversion, second step bullish fair value gap. If we get both of those things, I'll go long. This is your first presentation. $30, $931, $932. I'll take a bullish fair value gap here. What are data highs? It's the 8:30 news candle right here. We left a relative equal highs right here. This is my current drawn liquidity. I'd say 2 contracts under 1500. I think it's 2 minis. Are you with Tradeovate or Top Step X? If you're with Tradeovate, then yeah, it's just 2 contracts. But if you're with Top Step X, then it's like it'll convert over to multiple micros. Oh, you haven't looked at Cleve yet. Probably have to wait till 10. Wait till 10, see if we can get right 9:30 manipulation, 10 a.m. distribution. And if not, then probably just sit out. The fast SMT on the 4-hour? Yeah. 9:15 PMI? I think it's 10 a.m. PMI. Yep, exactly, Paul. Unless they changed it, but I don't think they have. So notice how NQ, there's a 4-hour SMT right here. So this SMT that's forming, Nasdaq stronger. So I'd want to see a Nasdaq give me a valid setup for my AMD model. ES is doing it, but Nasdaq's more bullish. So I'd want to see ES. I want to see Nasdaq. Because a bullish fair value gap. If we get a bullish fair value gap inversion here, I'm gonna go long, no problem. 9:30 Judas swing model. But so far, not convinced. Not convinced. Wait, simply wait here. Close above new day opening gap there. See if we can use that as support. Yes, always goes better? Not always. Lately it has though. If we invert the first presentation, what am I going long on something like this? So I'll be balanced, it shouldn't come there. Notice the failure of the move. That is because ES looks really clean. If Nasdaq gave the setup here, I'd be in long. But because Nasdaq did not, I'd be breaking a rule. Remember, I said the stronger asset needs to give the setup. So if we don't get a setup here, then from Nasdaq, I mean, then we don't get a setup at all. See if we're gonna get it. If we get a bullish breaker here, that would be really good. I mean, there's SMT there, man. There's SMT, I'm pretty sure, with the law you're thinking about. So we don't have to. I want to see this low get taken and then we get a breaker. That would be the best. That would be the best thing. But I mean, this low's enough. Low, high, lower low. If we get a breaker, I'll go long on the breaker rejection block. If we did touch the rejection block, but I still want to see the low get taken. That would be best case scenario. If we get the low taken, then we can get a valid order block. ES is almost inside its 2-minute bullish fair value gap. If we get it. I think I'm leaning towards longs here. ES has a 2-minute bullish fair value gap. It just tapped in. It's trading higher. 9:45 PMI. Isn't it 10 a.m.? Oh, that's tomorrow. 9:45 PMI. Yeah. Yep, you're right. Mark out the macro here. Breaker and Q mitigation on ES. Yeah, I'm looking for it, but haven't formed yet. That's not even an inversion. I'll take the breaker mitigation. I would take this trade, 932 this model. We'd have to get a clean move higher though. I have to put my entry there. It'll be 2 contracts. We'll risk 200 if it forms. I'd still favor the low to get taken. If the low gets taken, I'm just going to mark out the key levels here on the NQ chart. On the MNQ chart, this looks promising. But we'll see. Not get entitled to anything. ES does have a 2-minute fair value gap, and it did tap in. So give me the low. If it just takes the low, that would be the best. I mean, we have 9:45 PMI, so yeah, we should just. I mean, we're gonna wait 2 minutes anyways. Maybe we can catch open low high close of the 9:45 candle, and I will be aiming for this. Yeah, I'm happy to take along here. Obviously, we could get chopped up, but I'm here to follow. I just want to take a trade. Yesterday we didn't take it when all our criteria was met. Today I just want to take it when all my criteria is met, you know? So we had accumulation pre-market, strong manipulation, obvious manipulation. Now we're accumulating near the sell side. All that's left is a clear drawn liquidity, which is data highs, relative equal highs. And we also have the hourly fair value gap plus the SMT in the higher time frame. So everything's lining up here for my 930 Judas model. The only thing left is the entry model. So a couple ways to get in here, right? This is your first presentation. So I'm looking at a potential breaker mitigation. Not that clean right now though, because ES doesn't have a swing low like NASDAQ does. Okay, nice. Let's see if we can take this out. 940. I mean, I feel like we're definitely gonna take it out. Tapping into the 2-minute bullish fair value gap there. Okay, nice. Now, if it just reverses here, we got a really good trade. If not, then, well, we're probably just wrong. It's a little heavy there. A little heavy. We really have to, yeah, start wicking. Getting to the low of that hourly fair value gap. The SMT is there. This could be a good setup, but we'd have to start displacing higher going into the macro. If that happens, then we get the low, high, lower, low, higher, high. I'll go long on this breaker. So far, pretty heavy though. We could even get in before the breaker. We inverse this. I mean, we don't need the SMT. I would just favor it. No, I'm not. ES took the daily sell side. That's enough for me. ES is in the weekly volume imbalance and the daily sell side level. If NQ wants to go to the weekly low, yeah, it could. It definitely could. Right now we have an SMT there, and it's inside of a macro, and we've only went down. So I'm favoring a reversal here. All right, let's see now that ES is taking this low. Do we immediately go back into the range? If we get an inversion here, we can take that long before the breaker forms. ES has double weekly lows. You already took them. Oh, these two? Yeah, it could go there, in which case we'd have to probably sit out because it's just way too far in the discount. We get signatures of the reversal. You know, unless we like get really low below here, and then we come into a 15-minute fair value gap at 10, look for 10 a.m. to continue this move. That could be a nice trade. The 4-hour sell model complete on NASDAQ as well. It's possible. Well, let's give it some time. It can still wick here. Yeah, it's staying pretty heavy here. Looks like we're probably gonna take out that weekly low on and Nasdaq as well. Why haven't you shorted? I'd be breaking every rule if I did. We're probably gonna come from to previous week's low. Thursday reversal, easy money. Not even Thursday reversal though. Not even the profile. It would be a Wednesday reversal. These relative equal lows all look really good. Tap into a 4-hour bearish. Yeah, we're probably gonna take the sell side out. The only way we could look this is if we get into this 15. Wednesday's the beginning of a reversal, but it fakes out. But Wednesday's the high week. It looked Wednesday up, came down. Thursday just continues. If that's the narrative you're going with, I mean. Yeah, we probably come for these equal lows now. I was kind of expecting that in November, but if it happens now, it happens now. If we get into the 15-minute fair value gap, I'm happy to short just because we've invalidated everything and we have very bearish order flow. But that's pretty much the only way I can get in on this. So unless 10 a.m. has it move up, move is done. No, I wouldn't say move is done. It's gonna come to the sell side. If we happen to get a retracement at 10 a.m. and we can trade at 10 a.m. open high low close, I'll do it. 10 a.m. silver bullet. And then 4-hour stage 2. It's not clean at all though. We'll just wait for PM. Yeah, might have to wait for PM too. Although PM is probably gonna suck, but I might have to wait for PM as well. We'll see what 10 a.m. does though. We'll see what 10 a.m. does. Yes, that's quite a ways. It doesn't have to get here, just that's my drawn liquidity. It could. I just don't think we have the volatility. Like this is very if it was gonna reverse, I feel like I would have reversed when there was an SMT at the 4-hour fair value gap. With the fact that it just kind of invalidated all that, unless like literally right now it starts to wick super aggressively and come back into this range, it's probably dead. Take out Wednesday's low. Yeah, I think that's what I marked out. Yeah, Wednesday's low. Previous week's low. We could get a buy model after taking Wednesday's low. I want to see it, but I'm not skipping. That's fucking hilarious. We could get a reversal. Honestly, it is possible. From Wednesday's low. Yes, still equal lows looks so fucking good. Like I don't know, just looks clean. Like consolidation leg, consolidation leg, consolidation leg, smart money reversal. This the timing is not. If this happened earlier, imagine catching that move, guys. Not only would our accounts be funded, I mean our accounts be chilling, bro. Even if we took 2 micros, 1400, that'd be a fucking crazy move. Obviously, that's very unlikely. It's been pretty bearish. This, this actually identifies as a second stage market maker sell model. We could actually trade this short inside the macro. As soon as we go up and then leave the range, like let's say we come up bullish fair value gap, we inverse. I'll go short to Wednesday's low. I don't mind that as a second stage market maker sell. We'd have to get into the 5-minute. Nope, would not be breaking any rule. Second stage market maker sell model. 10 a.m. silver bullet lower towards the obvious strong liquidity, predetermined narrative. Assuming the entry model forms, I need to see it form as a second stage entry model. We're going to see it come up and then leave it. We'll take the entry here. Something like this. If it's bad risk reward like that, then I won't take it. I'd love to see it form at 10. Is there news at 10? Just one, there was no news. I have 2 monitors up. Alright, and I wanted to go a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Bro, Ryan Smith, if there was a 10. I don't know about that one though. I mean, not unless we take these lows. Just the timing is off, The timing is a bit off for me personally. If you get this inversion on ES, we'll go short. Let's get up there. Yep, if you don't see it, but don't see it. I mean, if it's not in your rules, then don't trade it. If we get an inversion here on ES, I will short ES though. I'll wait for a bearish fair value gap. If we get a bearish fair value gap, I'll go short. That would be my. I could get it in a couple ways here, but yeah, we get the inversion there. Put our stop loss there. I favor the bearish fair value gap. Where is ES going to again? Oh yeah, that's. I'm gonna focus on Nasdaq here. Could be a buy model. I would expect that, but only until we get here. Monthly low. Monthly low is all the way down here. Bearish fair value gap, and I will go short. No fair value, yeah. Give me a breaker for 10 a.m. I'll take a 10 a.m. for fair value gap short as well. If we can get high, low, higher, high, lower, low. And that's a valid short. Yep, I feel you, Ryan. I mean, I think it's possible. It's definitely unlikely. If we do reverse, I'd expect it to be from here. If it's from here, it doesn't really make sense. I don't even know. There's a lower hourly fair value gap. This one has never been tapped into, so it's possible. I wouldn't favorite that though. I mean, we already inversed it, so I'm personally waiting for a 10 a.m. silver bullet setup here. Don't tell me 10 a.m. is gonna stay this heavy. That'd be crazy. High, low, high, high, low, low. Give it to me. Only we can get in on this pretty much. How'd you do that highlight thing with the box? What highlight thing? Yep, exactly. I want to see 10 a.m. go up, put in a significant high, and go low. Or if we don't move up at 10 a.m., we could get a reversal that, you know, smart money reversal, 1 minute time frame. Looks pretty clean. Original consolidation. Someone said standard deviation is 4 of this leg. Interesting. You looked at that. Quite interesting. Oh, how to make it extend to the right. So you just go to settings, style, extend right, and it'll go all the way. You want to do it like that. If you use white black candle and green black candles, it will do better. What does the 10 a.m. candle do? Right now, I'm not favoriting, but I'm hoping that it does this. And then from there, I don't know. Bullish or bearish? Bullish, bearish. Right now, bearish. Yep, that'll be a lot easier, John. You got it, brother. I hope that helps. I want to see a fake long upturn on the day. Now 500 and draw down. Let's go, George. Proud of you, man. Is it a 50K account? Day by day, George. You fucking got it, man. Listen, the story's gonna be a lot better when you come out of the drawdown, you know? Really prove it to yourself if you can do that. 50K? Nice, man. I think how much drawdown I'm in? I'm in 1K drawdown. Do you work besides trading? Just part-time. I work for some basketball leagues. I do some things on the side. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you, man. Love hearing about your guys' shit. All right, I'm hoping this short-term SMT can take us higher. Yeah, me too, Ghost. Me too. Pretty much exact same. Someone said I'm working in a 10K and a 125K challenge currently. Nice, bro. You can pass it. Have you ever passed one before, or would that be your first one? Oh my god, it's him. Think I didn't see that shit. I know who's in here. I've been trading for how long have I been like started my journey, or how long have I been like actually trading, like putting in trades? I started putting in trades, I think January. I feel you, Glitch. I feel you on that, brother. Trading's hard, but you gotta stick through, bro. You gotta stick through. I'm telling you. Listen. Let me tell you guys something. When you guys are in drawdown, for this model, yeah, I do wisdom. For this model, I do, yeah. And it also depends on the time, right? Be my first in profit on both. Good shit, Snowy. I got you, bro. Keep me updated, bro, Snowy. Add me on Discord. I want to hear about this shit, man. I hope you pass both, my brother. What do you think of your USD tapping weekly fury? Yeah, that looks good, bro. It's DXY bearish. You're so handsome, bro. JP, you are so handsomest guy I've ever met, bro. How about that, huh? Why all stocks going down? Well, Nasdaq's down like 2%. Holy shit, is this a buying opportunity before the elections? Should I stack up my portfolios? Bro, I hope everything just dumps, bro. Okay, so see, now that we're above 10 a.m., I want to see a fake long. Fake long. So a fake price run higher. People think it's going to go up. What is ES doing, bro? A fake price run higher. Even if it's just into here. Even if it's just into there. That's enough for me. Just give me a significant high. Man, that's some weak shit, man. That's some weak shit right there. Definitely not taking this. What is that? Too much discount. I'm happy taking a second stage entry short, but it just needs to form how I like it to form. We got a bearish fair value gap here. That is possible, Victor. So I'm thinking about maybe stocking up before. That's kind of risky, though. I probably wouldn't stock up any positions until ES takes out those weekly lows. Because I feel like we're probably going down here. In a bullish market, yeah, usually the beginning of the month goes down. You trade tomorrow? Yes, sir. Won't take any trades from that. It'll probably be after 10. Usually the only trades I take are like silver bullet. I like to frame trades off of the NFP candle in the first 15 to 30 minutes of trading. I like to frame my trades off that. But yo, let me tell you guys something, bro. Okay, this is good. We're coming up to a somewhat significant price level. Yep, we do have an S&P there, but I think it's coming. That's where I'm looking to take profits. I think it's coming. And if we take out this high right here, that would be the best thing we can do. Out of curiosity. Projects right there. Yeah. I don't think I'll be going long here. Where did they stop? No idea, brother. We inverted this hourly, so how do you put the name on the top of the canvas? It's an indicator. It's called AGFX watermark. It'll give you the stuff up here that you can customize, and it'll give you the ticker and symbol down right there. That's pretty cool, Reeks. I'm just checking on my fantasy team. How'd they do yesterday? Not bad, not bad. Drop this guy. Are you bearish? Yeah. I'm just looking for. If we get a bearish fair value gap now, I can go short. The best short could form if we take this high, though. If we take this high, that'd be the best short. That'd be my best opportunity. It definitely could reverse, but if we take a bearish fair value gap, I will short it. Because we came up 10 a.m. into the fair value gap, rejected, so it's valid. It's a valid short for me. We get a bearish fair value gap here. Look at that, just immediately gets this closed up. What? Eel? Equal lows on ES has weekly equal lows. I was talking about stocks. I'm not going to be looking for any longs on stocks until we take those lows. Look like it's forming a breakaway gap. Nope, I need to see a fair value gap. And because there's an SMT now, I'm going to wait for a 15-second confirmation. It's very choppy. I don't want to enter in this chop. No, this is good enough for me. Because we came up into the imbalance and rejected. Might go. It's going long, just not yet. Maybe, but still leaning towards shorts. Be a breakaway gap, and I'll take this fair value gap, no problem. If the risk to reward is good. If we can get something like this, you hit the short, good luck, Miguel. I'd hold it personally to the green line. The reward is pretty bad. Hopefully we get a decent fair value gap here. Okay, we can get at least this. We'd have to do 3 micros. We could do 4 actually. What's up, Trey? What's up, Trey? In my opinion, yeah. 8 seconds. 7, 6. Waiting for this candle to close. I mean, it looks like it's not gonna give me a fill. But that's my position. Looks like we'll get a fill here. That's some whack shit. I'm gonna fill myself there, guys. Alright. A little bit lower fill, but it's okay. Appreciate you, George. Take care, my brother. Market tanked like crazy? Yes, it did. Maybe we could have been a little patient there, but I'm still happy with this. Our stop loss is going to cover 50% of this wick. Are we FOMOing? Nope. Following my second stage entry model rules. Your risk. Going to take only 1 trade today, Ahmed. That's why I'm risking this. Because of the fill, they got a little bad. So I'm not going to take a second. But it's in the parameters. Don't worry, brother. We're taking... Didn't you force this one? Nope. Second stage entry model, market maker sell. 10 a.m. silver bullet. Towards the obvious strong liquidity, in my opinion. All rules checked off. All criteria checked off. We're in the silver bullet window. This is my model, boys. The risk is higher because of the slip. So if we take a next trade, we're only going to be able to risk 50. You know? That's all it is. We'll go based off the 2. Stop loss doesn't even cover the OB, but... Bad entry. And looks like... Yeah, it does look like a bad entry now. Either way, I would have taken... It's the fair value gap. We inverse the fair value gap, we inverse the fair value gap. Damn. That's a wick and a half. Why are you trading down? It's going up. Because I'm bearish. Only thing forces entry. I forced the limit in there because I was worried it's not going to get filled. How are you managing your trades? Because you talk about macros, not about how much money you risk. Sorry, I don't understand. You always wait for confirmation of FEG. Valid, that's valid. For me, it depends on which the scenario is, but we'll put our stop loss here now. Shouldn't come back up here. If it comes here, it's just gonna go all the way. So wait for confirmation now. I stop taking. I don't understand because I don't see macros. Yep, the one in the red is the entry. So we're a couple lines away from our stop loss. A couple ticks away. I put it just above the volume imbalance. And we are out. So if we're going to take one trade, we can only risk 70. What made you short at the very bottom? I thought we were going to come here. Let's see what happens here. We'll give it probably one more try. If we take out this high. If we take out this high. And if we get another move lower. But we'll take the same trade again if it forms. If not, probably won't take a long here. I'll just go based off that. If you're long here, good luck. Good luck to you, brother. But I told you it's going up. Even a bad trader would know it's going up. I still think it's going down, but okay. What's up, crypto? Appreciate the follow, man. Inversion CISD. Valid. That is valid, yeah. That is what we got a breaker here. Do you only trade refugees? Nope, not always. Sometimes the inversion, sometimes the breaker. Depends on which entry model I choose. Sometimes not connected, but most time. That's pretty cool, Carl. Can you explain is macros the units? Is macros the units you buy? You mean micros? Yeah, micros is the units. I'm on TikTok chat as well. Someone said, bro, I told you it's going up. Even a bad trader would know. Alright, bro, I hope you made a lot of money, my brother. Sell out the close of the candle. I'm gonna wait for an inversion. If it takes the 10-minute fair value gap high and goes lower. Respecting the emotion management. I'm happy. I followed all my rules. Can't complain, you know? Always toxic people. It's okay. I don't really care what people think. I know my rules. I didn't break any rules there, so it's okay. I could keep the TikTok here, yeah. I still think it's gonna go down. You guys qualified this. It's going up. It's only like look at the move, bro. This is not, in my opinion, like going up. You know? This isn't going up, bro. We're going up. This is a little retracement. So I don't think we're gonna reverse here. I still think we're gonna hit this green line. But I may be wrong, you know. But I'm not gonna abandon my bias yet. Still think we're gonna come here. So you're risking more money on higher quality trades. I'm trying to risk around 200 per trade every time. We took out the high there. There's our SMT. If we get an inversion, I'm gonna go short again. That is valid. Could go sideways. Could go sideways. Go said he's in longs. Good luck, brother. I hope it plays out for you. If we get an inversion here, I'm gonna go short. Look at these resistance. There's a PDCT entry model here. Forget the 15-second breaker. So fuck it. I gotta wait for the inversion. Otherwise, I'd be breaking a rule. How much down are you on the funded? Ask me after this trade if it forms. Yeah, I need to see an inversion. I don't know, man. Let's just turn your monitor sideways. Waiting for an inversion, and I'll go short again. One more attempt. We'd have to do probably one micro. Yeah, we'll have to do one micro. We're down at 1200. You use SMC or ICT? It's the exact same thing, brother. Whoever tells you otherwise doesn't know what they're talking about. ICT is the author of SMC concepts. Hit the rejection block. Let's see if it goes bullish to a trade. Oh, that's really upsetting. You talking about this? I know, Ghost. It's like trading. Keep saying rules. Trading has no rules. There's no right or wrong, buddy. That makes absolutely no sense, bro. It's the third candle for the formation of the 1 hour. Yeah, we're forming an hourly. I just never seen him using such a low interval. ICT? He's on the 1 minute chart every single day on his live. What are you talking about, brother? I don't think you've been watching. But ICT uses the 1 minute chart. You're a swing trader? That's cool, bro. Swing trading was cool. 15 second goaded? 15 second is goaded, bro. 15 second is goaded. Let's see if we get a breaker here. ES turning weaker. Yeah, ES is weaker for sure. I do think it's going down. I think it's going to come right here. See if we get a breaker. I'll short the breaker. If you get a breaker mitigation, I'll short the breaker mitigation. I'm getting good at this. I mean, we may both be wrong, you know? Who knows? Don't force a trade. Don't worry, brother. Not forcing a trade. Good stuff, Marcelo. We're in the 15-minute Sibi. ES is not there yet. We still have the SMT. Do you ever trade based on volume? Never looked at volume once. We're going up, bro? Maybe. If so, then I probably won't be taking anything. What if it breaks above the fair value gap? Which fair value gap? The 15-minute? Then might just go up into the higher one. Either way, I probably will not be looking for a long. Not even RSI. Never heard about that either, brother. I trade ICT concepts. I don't know, Ghost. That's why. That's why what? Ghost said RSI. You guys need to read. All the ICT traders in my YouTube are like, what I'm thinking. The 5 minutes you didn't deliver to the downside. Why trust the 15-minute? Because we took out the highs now. And we have an SMT. So if we get a breaker, these TikTok comments, bro. Volume is everything. You trading props or live? Right now, prop firm using Top Step. Appreciate you, Fresh. Thank you, brother. That's a break. It might change bullish. I don't qualify this as a break personally. I'm looking for a break lower, I guess you could say. Volume, everything is kind of wild. I don't know. I've never used volume personally. Yeah, if we inverse this, I'll go short. I'll go short on this. We get the inversion on ES here. I can only short one contract. Yeah, I'm gonna short this. Fuck, man. All right. It's our last one of the day. Let's see if it works. Why don't you wait for FEG? It's the inversion's good enough for me. I stopped trading my funds until after the election. Hard for me to read price. Okay, it's not just me. Finally, bro. These last 2 weeks, man, have been very, very difficult for me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like we were doing so fucking good before these last 2 weeks, and then these last 2 weeks came, bro. I've been getting my ass whooped, bro. Every time I win, I lose prior. Like every time I win, I lose prior. Every time I lose, it's so quick. Like I was doing so good prior to these last 2 weeks, bro. Last 2 weeks come. This has definitely been, well, probably even including backtest. And I've backtested over probably like 1,000 plus trades. I think even in backtest is probably the hardest market I've ever had to trade, in my opinion. What you putting down 300? Yeah, so I lost 230 on the first trade, so just risking 1 micro on this one. So it'll be something like this. We always simply go through the issues. Elections got the impact. Yeah, it's definitely the elections. You know, it just sucks that like I just got these 3 funded, and then I guess I know I should have known, but we're on the same grind. Appreciate you, YBK. Nice to meet you, brother. Valid Shorts rooting for you. Yeah, I'm just here following my model. I mean, it looks pretty good for a short here. I would change the futures. Yeah, I would really recommend changing to futures. You trade prop. I'm on props. It's gonna go up, maybe, but I'm happy with the short I took. If you put down 1K in gold, you can print 1K. Whereas the SMT is right here. SMT 15-minute fair value gap, second stage. Move SL, add more contracts. I can't add more contracts. I don't have enough drawdown. What prop do you recommend in Canada? Top Step, 100% in my opinion. Gonna get a 4K payout-ish today from my funded? Let's fucking go, bro. That's amazing, bro. You deserve it, man. Can't really reduce my stop here. It's the only place that makes sense. I keep it above there. How much you got on the accounts? Right now, 1,200 in this live trade. Trade gold dog. This is a waste. Do you work? Part-time, yeah. Yeah, another con wouldn't be bad here, but drawdown. We're in drawdown. Yeah. Been struggling all these last 2 weeks. Do you ever close partials? Let it run. I used to close partials. Now I hate it. I don't like it. I look back at my last 50 trades and the partials have been killing me. Now I only partial if my trade's running above 3 risk to reward. They are funded, bro. Yeah, funded. I don't recommend a personal account unless you're like filthy rich or something. Then yeah, we might even hold this past. We might even hold this till like 11 or something. But I don't want to trade P&L. No, I shouldn't. If I do that, it just means I'm trading the P&L and it's not worth the partials. Exactly, bro. It's not. It ruins your risk reward and everything. You're right, YBK. But yo, if I get evals, I'm probably just gonna full port them, and I don't need. There's no point in me wasting time with that stuff, in my opinion. It's gonna come back down here, I think. I'm just seeing if I can aim for more, but I think I'm only thinking that because I'm in drawdown. Let's see. I won. Every time I won, Lucy's pretty cool, yeah. 50% wick aspect. Oh, nice. You trade ICT too. But like, I don't know. I mean, assuming it comes down here, we were right about the move lower, I guess. I guess we should have waited for the high to get taken for a higher probability trade. How much you getting taxed? No clue. Haven't made enough to get taxed, or not enough to get like you can full port on top step to pass. You'd have to full port twice, so half port, I guess. It doesn't make sense to break even here. We have the 3-minute inversion, and we shouldn't come back above here. About it. Let's leave the stop there. Go here +1 tick. I mean, 1 step or 2 step. It's what about phase 1 or phase 2 account funded? Do you recommend? Whichever one you can afford. Phase 1's gonna be easier. Go smart. But my financial experts in trade if cheap and growth accounts have helped tons to save money. Interesting. What's up, Lori? It is 10.99. But doesn't know he can short the SMT. It's not my model. I don't like turtle souping. I'm like 16 for $81 accounts. Like 16 for $81 accounts and my 15. Damn, that is pretty amazing. That is pretty amazing. We'll trail the stop when it comes here. It's not a bad trade if you know, if you take the high and you short it right after. You can do that. Just it's hard to say how far this was gonna go, you know. Have you used Funder Pro? I've only ever used Apex and Top Step. And funded by traders. That's all I've ever used. Yeah, I mean, we could look to add one here, actually. Could look to add one here. If we form the OB, I'll lower my stop and add one. If we form the OB, I'll lower my stop to here. You said, yeah, you'd have to use 5 to 10 interval to see how far it would extend out, but I feel like you're chill. Nope, think we're good. I did not form the OB, so I'm leaving my stop where it is. If we come below this line, I'm going to add 1 micro and lower my stop. Yes, I do. That's where I'm putting my TP right now. We got an immediate rebalance right there. The only prop firms I use are Top Step. I've ever used is Top Step. Right now, I'm only using Top Step. I don't use anything else. Top Step's my favorite, but Are you still updating to 2024? If anything valid comes, then yeah. But so far, it's just been tape reading. I'm not joining Juvier's Discord, bro. That guy's a fucking scammer. Ever heard of one-on-one funding? Yeah, I heard of one-on-one funding, but I personally don't use it. They tried to get me on. Hella. A meet, that's debatable. 250 seconds more affirmation for lower stop loss. Yeah, it depends. You Canadian? I am Canadian. Bando bands. Bando, is that you? But it can be tricky. How's the spread on Top Step? Same as any other prop firm, pretty much. MFF is probably like really close to Top Step with me. I've just always been with Top Step, so Javier is a real deal, bro. Well, bro, I hope he helps you. But I think I'm good over here, my man. Have to be super on point with timing fractals to get those snipes. You do have to be very on point. We might add one here if we get the OB. What's up, Tamer? Welcome back, my brother. We close below. Or I could if we get the inversion here. All right, we're gonna add one here. And I'll lower my stop. Let's see if I made a smart decision or not. We have SMT? Yeah. ES gave the inversion, so. You can't be trading with 300 and diss people with big money. You can't be trading with 300 and diss people with big money. I mean, he's a scammer. It didn't break the OB. Yeah, but we got the inversion on ES. So for me, it was good enough. But you're right, we didn't get the OB. But this stop loss also makes sense. Yeah, if it comes up here, it should leave this open. It shouldn't come up here. Anyways, you have a huge gap there. 5 minutes. We do have a 5 minute gap actually. You know, it could come up there. We should have looked at the 5 minute first. But you know, if it'll probably run the sell side before coming up there. Trade is still 2R. It really likes that OB. Can you show the 50-minute? That's what the 50-minute looks like. Mm-hmm. I think these loads are too clean. It's gonna run right through. You only add in drawdown? Yeah, I feel you. That's a good idea to do because you don't want to ruin your fill and stuff. But because the risk was still here, I was planning to lower my risk to here anyway. So it's still the original risk of the trade. Let's see if we can come to here. In discount? Yeah, dude, this whole thing is in discount. We're shorting a second stage delivery. You'd rather close and get re-entry? Yeah, I already thought about implementing that, but I could never find like a consistent way to do it. How did you know that it will continue lower, not higher? Well, first of all, having been confirmed that my idea was right, was just the higher time frame narrative. I was thinking we're gonna take this low, 4-hour IRL. This is your only sell side left. The order flow has been very heavy. Wednesday took out a key level, all that stuff. I think that the higher time frame drawn liquidity are these equal lows on ES. So that's how I trusted it, my brother. Plus down. Yeah, the only thing is, yeah, it could technically stop here. Now we have an SMT, little pump, but we'll see what happens. key low you don't expect to get ran through. What's up with that? Expect saving the low for later? Maybe, but I'm gonna still aim for it. It is rejecting, yeah. Took out the sell side there. We have an SMT. ES being the weaker asset and not taking that low. You trade SPY? No, not really. We can't really lower our stop here. We have a 5-minute fair value gap above. The thing is, our stop loss doesn't make sense, so we're in a weird position here. You know? In terms of the 5, our stop loss doesn't make sense. It would have to be right here. Like, that's the only place it kind of makes sense. In terms of the 5. You stick to your plan? Yeah, we stuck to the plan. That's all that matters, you know? Stuck to the plan. That's all that matters. Why can't you break even? Doesn't make sense to break even. Why not break even? Price goes to your 5-minute, you re-enter. True. Could do that. That is true. Let's do that. W point. W point. W point. If it goes to the 5, look for a re-entry in the 1050 macro. That's a good idea. Valid, valid, very valid. Okay, we're break even and we'll look for a re-entry. Took a short 10 open. Nice, bro. That's a really good short. Hopefully that will let it play out or don't break even. If it stops me out, it's gonna come up here and I'm gonna look for a re-entry. That's usually what I do anyways when this happens. I've never written that rule out. But if I'm in a trade and I think it's possible we're gonna get a deep retracement, I will break even. And if it does come into this box, I will simply short this box again during the 1050 macro. If it leaves this range right now, we're probably good in the money. What coverage account do you look at if it enters the FEG? I usually just put a limit on the FEG. If not, then I go to the 15-second chart and look for an inversion. Keep the 515. Yeah, there's a 5-minute right above us. The 15 minutes all balanced out. So it could just go lower. It should dump. I agree. It should dump. I think it could potentially do this though. If it wicks up, then we'll have to re-enter short probably. You're longing the fuck out of Bitcoin right now? Good luck, brother. Yeah, everything kind of dumps. Whole market's down. I'm gonna have to pick up some stocks here. But I'll probably wait for it to go lower. I think it goes lower personally. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, my man. Why limit? Because it gives you a better ratio. The limit gives you fixed risk to reward, and you know exactly how much you're gonna risk. There's not gonna be spread. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'll probably wait for after. They're right. I'll wait for after the elections. Wait for after the elections. You're right about that. We should wait till after elections before picking up any more stocks. I want to see it go quickly below this low. And it should like quickly invalidate this wick. Tesla to the moon? Maybe. Trump gets in, I'd say. Yeah, definitely could dump. We hit the 3-minute OB. Every single election, and if it's bullish here, we drop like 1K points. That's the best time to pick up option cons for cheap. Valid, bro. I mean, that's kind of my plan, yeah. Pretty much. You think like if we were really bearish? Yeah, possible. But I guess we're just not really bearish then, you know? You mean, oh, to the 5-minute? The only reason I say that, I think it's possible because there's an SMT here, right? and we swept the liquidity and closed above. So to me, it said that it's possible that it comes to the 5. We broke the S&P just now, though. Next pivot, 19944. Well, what I'm going to do is once we come to this green line, I'm going to put my stop loss right there above it and just see. Let me fill your fair value gap. Didn't you see that last time, or was that somebody else, bro? Yeah, I'm just slow here, breaking 50%. W? No, not W yet. It's almost 1050 macro, so I definitely think we can dump in that macro in this 20-minute window. I have so much liquidity waiting for you, bro. Who are you, bro? Yeah, only micros. Nothing really clear here. It's just super consolidated. Could go either way. You're gonna feel so imbalanced after, bro. What are you doing, man? Go to the gym, bro. Just patiently waiting for you to take my money. Is your short stop loss below? We do have an hourly inversion. We do have an hourly inversion. But why does the body just form and then it just wicks every time? But you know what it's been feeling like? I bet Kevin can relate to this if he's still here. It literally feels like the market is just it moves so nice. Like you get nice candles like this and like and then I enter a trade and it does this shit, bro. Like every time this last couple 2 weeks. Like there was one trade I think where I just entered and it just went. Like one, I think literally one time. That's when it happened, bro. Like these last 2 weeks, it's been happening like that every time. And to me also, not even, bro. My entries have been pretty good lately. Like after we take out buy side or sell side, and sell side you guys taken? No. On the daily, yeah. Then why don't you take profit? Because that just makes no sense. I take profits here. If I take profits here, that just justifies me gambling. Oh, higher time frame range? Possible, yeah. Nice trading call. Well, not yet, but I think it'll come here. Are you good at riding to the moon? You mean holding the trade? I have my target. I took the trade because I think it's gonna go here. I'm not gonna close it earlier unless it convinces me that it's not gonna go there. You know? As soon as it comes to this green line, we're gonna lower our stop loss. Let me make sure I'm ready to do that on my actual account. You know, we're coming here. Hold the runner. I'm gonna hold both of them past this green line, most likely. Like I'm gonna just trail my stop there. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna trade the P and L. Hold the runner. Imagine 5724. You have that marked out too, bro. That would be fucking crazy, bro. But that's just me trading. If I made that decision, I know myself, bro. It would simply be because the only reason I made that decision would be because I'm in drawdown and I want to make more. I know damn well if I didn't lose that first trade, I'm closing that motherfucker right here. You know, that's kind of something I lack. Do you have any strategy or tip on how to be sure that it bounces the FEG? It's all about narrative and time, brother. That's how you know. There's no secret. You got to know where the market's going to go and you got to know when it's going to go. That's it. That's all it is. That's all it is. Be self-aware. I know myself damn well, bro. I would have, every time I'm in drawdown, I just look to make as much as possible on a trade and I don't trade the candlesticks. I'm gonna as soon as it touches this green line, I'm putting my stop loss right there. And that's it. Break even here? We're break even. All the people in TikTok who were like, as soon as it hits the green line, Banger incoming. I lost one before this, Robbie. It doesn't even matter, bro. Every time I won this last couple 2 weeks, I lost right before. But I'm gonna put my stop to this green line right now as soon as it comes. And I hope we just rip through. Bro, why is it fucking edging, bro? Are you good at why did you enter there? It was the what was it? I don't even remember now. It was a fair value gap. Oh yeah, it was a fair value gap. Just close it, no? No. 1050 macro. I'm letting this one go. What's up, Myso? What are you trading? Micro Nasdaq. All right, we're gonna put our. No, I'm putting my stop there, bro. I'm waiting, bro. I don't care if it comes back up and stops me. All right. Oh shit, are you serious? Oh, we didn't get the fill out. Okay, we're out. Yeah, it didn't just happen. It's probably. I feel like it's gonna rip right through. Looks like it's about to blow through. Robbie knows, right? It looks like it's gonna blow through, but I'm not gonna be that guy, bro. So there it is. Took one loss here. Took one nice win here. It's gonna blow through. Watch. I feel it in my. I feel like I've seen this form a couple ways here. That's why there's targets. Gotta take it here. Gotta take it here for sure. I'm not gonna get greedy. At least we won a trade, bro. But we're break even on the day, plus 24 on the day. So every time I catch a nice trade, this Carlos is so tough. It's tough, but you know it is what it is. Can't complain. Good trade. We followed the rules. Cannot complain whatsoever. I have a feeling it's gonna dump. Like, I can feel it in my soul. You know. I feel like I've seen this. I've seen the way that this candle's ticking up and down around the level. I just feel like in the next couple like seconds or minutes, it's just gonna go. But who knows? That's just pure intuition. Good risk, good reward. That was a really good risk to reward trade. Yeah, it was. What's in the next days or so? In my opinion, bro, you should just wait until after the elections. It's too risky, in my opinion. I think stuff could continue to dump. I wouldn't bother now. You're gonna sell that retracement. You must work on taking. You must work on taking the right decision in the first trade. I mean, the first trade wasn't bad. I broke no rules. It would have been, yeah, it would have been higher probability if we took up, like, if I just waited for this. It also could have just not done that, you know? Like, I've taken trades where it just text in there, and that's a high enough. This is a high enough probability fair value gap. I mean, high enough probability high above 10 a.m. for me. That's true. If you want a macro reversal, you mean? I always start my live 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, brother. Same time every day. If you get the pump back up. 1050 macro. I mean, you could even. You're out of drought on Hammy? Nice, bro. Wish I could join you on that adventure, but I wouldn't know anything about that. I'm gonna have to call it a good one. I'm gonna call it. Have a good one. Take care, brother. Appreciate you, Ryan. See you next time, brother. Plus $4. Nice. How'd you do? One win, one loss. We're up a little bit on the day, but the market continues to slap my butt in the last 2 weeks. So, hand me the barber. Hand me the barber. You in Canada? Yes, sir, I am. Do you like big candles or small candles? Bro, what the fuck is TikTok, bro? This is why I started on YouTube, I swear to God. Someone said, do you like big candles or small candles? I'll put this here for YouTube. Like, what? Hamid, do you work today? What is it, Thursday? Sometimes you get a blue candle of an FED, then retrace it. Do you wait on a 1 minute trend change first? You took the... You got killed today? Bro, I haven't been getting killed. I just been getting, like, stabbed every couple of days, just a little bit. Do you stream that? Now use OBS Studio. You took the 3 minute inversion, the bullish one right here? I think a lot of people took that inversion long. Some people thought it was gonna go up. Yeah. It's just, to me, it's just the order flow's been just too bearish to go, you know? It's the 10, 15. Maybe if this happened at a... Nah, I kind of just knew it was gonna come here. That's why I didn't. Like, I was waiting for it to come here. Maybe now, but... Someone said 3 minute inversion was valid. What platform do you suggest for crypto? I don't know. I use Coinbase. It's not bad. Someone said it took the intermediate term high on the same candle that closed over the inversion. But that's some complicated shit. This is a clean BPR. You just need to recognize this as a fake long. That's all it is. Because it's a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. You can see ES is lagging. Yeah, it's okay, Wisdom. That's okay. Yo, this is difficult. Difficult market. We somewhat navigated. We were right. We were right about the shortcoming. We were wrong about from where and when. That's okay. A lot of people on TikTok were talking shit, bro. I don't see anyone here now. All those people that were like, bro, I fucking told you. I told you go long. Yeah, man. But all love, no hate. I'm not here to prove on anyone to anything. What ICT strategy using the trade? Great question, brother. I'm using a couple things here in my trading system. For starters, told you go long is insane. Bro, I lost one and they were like, bro, bro, someone said the funniest shit. He was like, even a new trader would have known to go long there. So in this trade, the two trades I took, so a couple of things in here. The daily power of three. The daily power of three. Now, the daily power of three model here is based on the fact that I'm not expecting Asia highs to get taken. So consider this a New York reversal from here. 830 took the highs, so 830 manipulation, and then 930 distribution, 10 continuation. One, how did I identify that? After the super bearish order flow. I wasn't originally bullish, but after we invalidated all this, I knew we were gonna come. I knew we were gonna come down to the green line. You just kind of need to know where the higher time frame is going, and you see this low just hanging like this, all low resistance liquidity. You kind of know it's coming here, and honestly, it could continue to dump. Holy shit, the executions are fucked. It could continue to dump even to these lows, but I'm just going to take it there. I'm not going to get greedy. So daily power of 3 is 1. The second trade is a silver bullet. So in my daily power of 3 model, every time we hit a higher time frame PD array, so this 15-minute fair value gap in this case, every time we hit a high time frame PD array, you can look to go short. And the first trade I took, now I'm starting to think about it. The first trade I took, did I break a rule? I think I should add, to my silver bullet model maybe. Because maybe it's just a little bit too general. Marcelo is really trying to get his shit valid. Marcelo, do you have a question, brother? I'll answer your question. I feel like I missed something that you were... what model did you use in this trade? This trade was daily power of 3. Was the higher time frame trading model, and for the entry model, I entered off of this inversion fair value gap. I actually entered right here. Oh, literally right there. As soon as this candle closed, I entered. This was my trade. Something like this. And then once we formed the OB here, I added a position and lowered my stop. Appreciate you, Guru. A profitable trader would never tell you some BS like that. I know, because a real profitable trader knows what it's like to try to make it, and they know it's not easy. A real profitable trader would never prey on your downfall, bro. And that's why I'm never toxic, because at the end of the day, we're all just trying to become good traders, bro. Like, we're literally on the same boat. Why waste your time? Hey, Diddy can pass my eval today? You took the biggest short of my entire life from opening? Holy shit, you caught that from open, bro? That's pretty fucking crazy. You didn't wait for the candle to close below the inversion. No. After the S&T, there was a 15... No, I think I did actually on this one. Yeah, we waited for the inversion to close. But where are you from? I'm from Toronto, brother. Someone said, I told you go long whenever you want. Marcelo, do you have a question, brother? I feel like I missed your question. Yeah, we waited for this candle close. So 950, 1026, we entered shorts. You're from Toronto too? Welcome, brother. Can you talk about different models and timing associated with the model, if you don't mind? Well, the timing aspect of this model, I'm not going to answer your question, but it was 10 a.m. power of 3. So I think I'm going to add to my 10 a.m. power of 3 model. Or I'm going to wait for, maybe add to my silver bullet model. And actually say that a high needs to get run. Like basically looking for a double purge. So 10 a.m. opens, we take sell side. People get trapped short. We take buy side, people get trapped long, and then the real move happens. Very typical price action. You up today? Yeah, just a little bit. Still down over the last 2 weeks though, so we're up today. Can you go over the higher time frame power 3 and how you inferred the daily bias? Sure. It's pretty easy, simple day. Originally, I was looking for longs because we were down here. Order flow was very, very, very bearish. To me, that's like that. That's pretty much all I used today. Order flow. I turned my bias yesterday. I told you we were bearish. Just my bias yesterday. That's it. Just how the bearish order flow and the fact that 830 manipulated higher. It doesn't need to go any higher than this. We took out London highs. I'll show you. We took out London highs because of 830 news volatility. We had some nice move pre-market. And then 930 dump, you know? Simple as that. So order flow and the manipulation pre-market, that was enough for me to look for a continuation. At that point, it's just looking for a continuation. Your best time to look for a continuation is 10 a.m. So just look for a high time frame PD array or just short any bearish fair value gap in the direction after a high gets taken. Now we have 4 hours for it, but it is a possible reversal, but I still think we can go lower. It is NFP week, so just remember that. Like, you take any trades? Yeah, I took 2 trades, brother. 1 win and 1 loss, but we're up on the day. Just a little bit. We had to risk less on the second trade, so. Although I had to form between 9:45 and 10:15 in my 7-bullet model. Also, that's how you do it, huh? Maybe a high? Is 1K good to start in a live account? I would say no, unless you're trading Forex. Let's open up the journal and let's put in these trades. Let's go. I'm so happy. Yo, someone in my Discord got his first payout. I'm so happy for him, man. Proud of you, bro. Myself, if you hear this, I'm proud of you, brother. Let's open up the journal here. So first trade. Was from $10.13 to $10.16. 10.13, 10.16. Yeah, Forex. Yeah, 1K is probably enough. You don't need much. They don't need that much for Forex. Whatever. At least we caught a win. I mean, it's nice to boost my confidence, but I haven't been able to win before losing. You know, we took 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. I'm gonna journal them now. I really forgot the time. What did I say? 10.14, 10.13 to 10.16. So I'm gonna put this in the journal, and I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Net P&L on the first trade. I don't even remember. Let's open up the order book. And we could have avoided that first loss, but my rules for Silver Bullet are pretty like vague. That's why I haven't made the video yet. I'm still working on it. Minus 228. So if we're up 25, that means second trade was 3.5. Trading model was the daily power 3 10. Daily power 3 did not meet. It was so 10 Silver Bullet. What are you using for journaling? This is Notion and it's free. Damn, a lot of people asking it. Be safe, gotta cut. Take care, Kevin. Took any trades today? 2 trades today, beginner. 1 win, 1 loss. We entered off a fair value gap limit, but we dragged the limit. Rules broken. None. Notes. So I'll probably look to add maybe double purge. Maybe double purge. Maybe AMD. Maybe SMT. I probably need to add something to my Silver Bullet model just to make it better. How do you get over the feeling of bailing on a trade that is just retracing and you're down a few? You just gotta have confidence, bro. That's all it is. Improve your confidence. If you're not confident, You got to find a way to improve your confidence. My confidence is all, and this is from someone who's telling, like, my confidence is shot right now. The last 2 weeks has my confidence absolutely shot. Every time I win, I lose before. We're not like on a loss streak, but like we're losing a couple then winning, and it's like we're not really getting anywhere except down. Like we're only going down. So you got to be more confident. All my confidence comes from back tests. I know this shit works. I'm confident. Any voice, any advice on avoiding that first loss? I took the same. Yeah, I'm actively journaling about that right now. I think I just need to add something to that model, just to make it higher probability. That could have played out. That's the thing. That's the thing, JP. That trade right there, in my opinion, it 100% could have played out. We came up to the fair value gap, rejected perfectly, formed the breaker block, the mitigation block, and we formed the order block. You can expect that fair value gap to work. Sure. Or you just wait for a raid on buy side. And it'll be higher probability the second time, always. You don't sound like your confidence is shot. I mean, depends in what way, Like, for example, yesterday my model formed one of my A+ entry models, trading models, and I didn't take the trade. Yeah, we're using Notion, Notion. If you want the template, it's in my Discord. You can just take it. It's free. So just wait a couple minutes here for the macro, and it sounds like my thing's not shot, but trust me, it is, bro. How was I confident holding that trade? I'm confident in the trades I take, but I'm just not as confident right now in myself as I used to be, That's one of my downsides. Like yesterday, we had an A+ trade, and I didn't take it. I was just a little too patient. I wanted to wait for something a little bit more, and we missed the entire move. And it was one of my A+, everything checked off. There was really no reason to wait any longer. But we waited, and we missed it. And we ended up taking a bad trade afterwards. And goes that the risk stays the same, you shall prevail. It comes and goes. Don't tilt. Yep, you're good, bro. I mean, you're right, bro. It is free. Yeah, Notion's free. I don't be paying for that shit, bro. You will win. Exactly, bro. You're right, man. You're right. Hopefully we don't blow these accounts. We're only half in drawdown now. We're back to half. So account balance is -1.1017. And we'll put the aftermath chart after. Let's put in let's put in the win. So we won 250 on that one. We risked. It was 102. 2.5 R. I'm gonna say we made a good pyramid. Good pyramid. Same as last trade. Just better off the SMT. Double purge. What do you think, gold? Probably all-time highs again. This was daily power 3 10 a.m. silver bullet. Entry model was inversion market. Rules broken, none. Entry chart. Where's that shit? Oh, I said I was gonna wait till 10:10. Let's just wait till 10:10 so I can get the full macro. A little still fuzzy on how you followed power 3. It made higher swing low 2 days ago. The power 3 on the weekly chart? Or what are we talking about here? So Wednesday made the high of week. Usually, if Wednesday makes the high of week, you expect Thursday to go lower. If you're talking about intraday, it is a New York reversal profile, New York reversal profile from London's range. Do you consider medium news taking a trade or just ignore them? Depends on the time. If it's 10 a.m., depends on the news. Some of them are kind of important, some of them are not. Depends on the news. Most of the time, I don't care though. Just waiting a couple minutes here. I want to put this. I said we can put this executions here in our. I wonder if NFP just shoots up. I wouldn't be surprised, bro, if NFP just shoots up and undoes all of this. I honestly would not be surprised at all. We'll go back and put the aftermath because I'm curious. So second trade was 1026 to 1050. I mean, yeah, we'll take. I mean, at least we followed the rules today. We didn't hesitate on the entries, which is good. Which is good. This is trade one. Trade two. I want to get this journal and get as much information. I mean, all this information I'm getting now is pretty difficult because it's not even like proper timing of the elections and stuff. But we can get it a drawdown, I believe. Why am I putting Thursday's news in there? We'll come back and fill that last section. As for notes, good pyramid same is better action on Yeah, add to SB model. Might increase probability. Get out of the market until election. I mean, I'm going to be trading tomorrow's NFP. Maybe we just send some evals. We'll just buy some evals and send them. Not a bad idea. Why trade tomorrow? I love trading NFP. One of my better days. Going in the Discord, seeing some people ask me some questions. I love seeing when people in my Discord get a payout. Well, not much more for me. I'm just waiting for this last couple of minutes. Looks like we're still gonna dump, but we'll see. If anyone has questions, now would be a great time to ask. No more trades for me today. We're up on the day. Can't complain. Could have been better. Could also have been worse. We did good. You know, we followed all the rules. What broker? This is trading view, but I'm trading with Top Step. Well done today. Can't complain. Yeah. Still feel like I have some improving to do, but we'll get there. I feel like tomorrow could potentially go higher. Crazy candle, huh? 414. We are improving. That's what matters. We are improving. But it's kind of like, I know it seems like I'm improving right now, but what kind of happened is like, I feel like I already had this improvement. I mean, we're definitely learning and improving, but like, I was just doing so good. Couple, Roku dropped $16. Holy shit. Damn. I feel like we've already improved, and then we like disimproved and then re-improved. Like we're re-improving now. You know, if that makes sense. Like, I'm gonna clear all my drawings for this chart, and we'll come back and fill them out. Let's make sure the layout's synced, crosshair and interval synced on all charts here. You took a trade. We took 2 trades today, brother. 1 loss and then 1 win. We're up on the day, so can't complain. Up on the day. That's always good. Most people will be tilting. Yeah, I'm not tilted, but I know my confidence is a little bit shot, you know. But it is what it is. I know we'll get out of it. We will get out of it. Nice. Okay, that's all in sync. We got YM, we got DXY, we got Bitcoin. Let me see the trades. Got you, brothers. So these are the trades I took. They're all journaled. Shorted here off the inversion and the SMT 15-minute fair value gap. And then here we also shorted. We got stopped out. We just re-entered shorts. Why is your conflict not strong? Just the last 2 weeks been really tough. You know, it's just like one of my weaknesses. You know, the more every time I lose, I just get more and more shot. You check gold? Sure, we'll check gold. Someone said no. It's been tough for everyone. Yeah, it's been tough. I mean, luckily we're still alive, but you know, it's definitely shot my confidence. You know, like I don't want it to, but I'm not gonna sit here and lie. Like the fact that I did not take my A plus setup yesterday, like it's kind of upsetting. You know, like setup time is clear. It's not just me. Yeah, I feel like that too. Like it's not all just confidence. Which asset is this? I was looking at Nasdaq, but was playing trading live like it's a video game. But I'm not playing trading live. Just August was insane. August and early October for me was really good. But you know, it is what it is. What do I think about gold? Um, Intraday, I wouldn't even bother at this point. I don't know what you're gonna do now. NFP's tomorrow. You're just gonna have to wait till tomorrow, in my opinion. Initially, I was bullish, but you said we could go. The reason I was initially bullish was because of the SMT and the deep discount. So at the time I was bullish, we were inside of this hourly fair value gap. Like it was like something like this pretty much. We were trading around right here. Actually no, it was this fair value gap. We were trading about right here. And ES was in a 4-hour fair value gap. And there was an SMT like this. As soon as that was invalidated, I knew it was probably going to dump and take the low. So you could have been bearish from the beginning and saying, yeah, I just think that's like irrelevant. Euro USD. Gold is not clear right now. I would wait till tomorrow. Euro USD. Ooh, interesting. It's a nice chart. You probably expect a move. I mean, weekly internal to external. I wouldn't try and fight that. I would look for 4-hour confirmation of shorts. Like, if we get below here, looks like a really good short actually. I would do something like this. This is a 4-hour chart, by the way. The real question for me is if we can figure out in the lower time frame if we were in a market maker sell or are we reversing. I mean, yeah, that is pretty much the most important thing, really. Timing a reversal is always hard. Analyze easy to read W chart. Yeah, I think that's a good one too. Oh, that's probably it for me. I will don't have anything else to journal. So we didn't break any rules today. That's what really matters. That being said, probably gonna go make some breakfast. I'm gonna chill out, go to the gym later, and spend Halloween with my girl. If anyone has any questions, Ask me, how do you do in your trade journey to not trade the PM after a win? Good question, bro. I just stop. That one's an easy one for me. If you struggle with that, what I would recommend is maybe you can set a loss limit on your account or set like some type of criteria. For me, I never felt the need to trade PM. I don't even want to. I feel like I've been doing this for quite a while now, and did I make profit today? Yeah, today we made profit. Um, been doing this for quite a while, and I don't want to sit there on the charts on PM. Especially after sitting here, like this is draining, mental. It's not even about the like what's it called, like the capital. It's about the mental. I can't really sit in front of the charts for that long, like 2 3 hours. That's fun. I love doing this from 9:15 to 11, maybe to 12. But more than that, nah, bro, it's not for me, bro. I also know where my edge is, right? Like when I say I backtested over thousands of trades, yeah, that was AM session. I don't have very little, maybe only 100 in the PM session. Obviously, I've looked at PM session over the last year. Not like I just completely ignored it, but all my experience is from AM session. So yeah. All right, bro. Everyone from TikTok, appreciate you joining. We had a pretty good TikTok stream today. 24 new followers. Appreciate everyone coming through. We'll be live tomorrow, same time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Everyone from Discord and YouTube. Appreciate you guys. Ink. Appreciate you. Harsh. Appreciate you. How can I improve ICT concepts? Backtest, study, and assuming you learned them already. If you haven't learned them, then you gotta go on ICT's YouTube channel and learn them. Reeks, I appreciate you, bro. I'm thinking about like hit gym. Yeah, we're gonna go take the rest of the day off, work on some other shit. You got the YBK, bro. YBK, you need to join my Discord, bro, because I fuck with you, bro. You gotta get in here, man. You gotta get in here. Are you in? I'm assuming you're in, bro. I'm thinking about making like a section for my Discord called like a YouTube chat or something. Like just all the man from YouTube and TikTok. Thinking about what? Fuck, what did I say? I don't remember. Oh, yeah, think about making like a section in my Discord for just like my YouTube chat. But like where would I put it? I don't know. Like what do we have in here, bro? Is anyone here like super good with Discord and shit? Like I made this shit myself. Just kind of did whatever. I got help. All right, help is good. Psychology, motivational. Taking this is the car that's parked next to me in the garage, bro. Like a couple cars down. It's pretty fucking crazy. We have a prop firm section. The news bot, chart review. Jerry's been fucking killing it, bro. We're gonna have to promote Jerry for putting in the work. Futures. This guy sent a bro. What is this? Forex. 21 Savage has been killing it. 21 Savage in the Discord. These two people have been killing it. They might need a promotion. Crypto. Good shit, Harsh. That's really good, bro. That's really good, man. And then we got the voice channel. So here's your general chat. I'm so proud of Maysales, bro. Might have to promote him to advanced trader. Should I do it? Has he been active in the Discord? He kind of just been showing his profits. I don't know if he's been showing his trades. But he's been killing it, I know. Oh, he's been showing his trades. Let's give this guy a promotion, bro. I'll add him to the list. Then we got ebooks, allows chat, member jams. And member jam doesn't really get used. Maybe we'll just get rid of this section. It hasn't been used since 10:05. It is on demo. That's okay, bro. I mean, don't worry about the money then. Worry about the if you're trading demo, don't worry about the money. Worry about you know, the trade itself. So in the learning chat, we can maybe put something else in there. Maybe like YouTube videos. I guess I don't really need a section for YouTube videos. What if we just change this to YouTube chat? Or like YouTube squad or like YouTube squad or some shit. YouTube squad. And then if you want to be in this, like you need a invite code or something. I'm gonna put a ninja emoji. That didn't work. Where's the ninja emoji, bro? Oh, let's do this one. This one's cool. Yeah. Yeah. And then we'll invite people in here. Oh shit, I gotta delete all this shit though. All right. Well, that's it for me today, guys. If you want to join the YouTube thing on my the YouTube squad or live stream squad, I'll probably put that in there. I like the ninja emoji actually more. Oh, what? Isn't there a ninja emoji? Hold on. Hold on. Ninja. Yeah, bro. Let me get this. Let me get this. Man, this shit sucks. All right, I'm gonna figure this out. Is it? Nope. There's no perms. I'm gonna send invites. I'm gonna send invites to people. What? Oh, yeah, this guy had an invite. And that way only those people can get in. And I'll delete all this shit. Roles, giveaways, server rules, announcements, counting journal for sure. Help chat, psychology, motivational. Maybe I should put these in together. I'm gonna end the TikTok live now. If you're on TikTok, feel free to come to my Discord. We got like 11,000 people in here. It's pretty lit. Everyone's pretty cool. See you guys live tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Peace. Peace on TikTok. Peace. Cool. Okay. I'm gonna shout you. You gonna shout me, bro? Bro, don't shout me, bro. Maybe I put psychology and motivation together. Just put those in together. Let's just do mental game. Mental strength. Brain emoji. I think that's good. And then we can, and I'll do the money emoji as well. Just put those together. Then we can get rid of this. Took a short scalp to long plus 65. Good shit, Gagan. Proud of you, brother. That's some good stuff, bro. Amazing. Someone said, but what just happened? Did I do my analysis wrong? I wrote it wrong. Ooh, I like this link one. Link. Nice. We got futures, crypto, news, bot, chart review. Can you show your desk setup? I can take a picture and post it on and send it to you. Or it's not that good. I have a pretty decent PC. I can't really show it with the camera on live stream though. Um, and there's learning. So ebooks, labs, member gems. Yeah, member gem doesn't really use. Maybe I should put something else here, like study, or maybe this one. No, I like my one there. I don't know. For now, we'll leave it. But if anyone has any ideas, YouTube squad. I gotta delete all this. Oh yeah, fast way to do this. I have a Mac Air M2, but it only supports on external display. I really want to, man. I feel you, bro. I think with the Mac you can do split screen, like two different screens, like half screen. Cool. Cool. So far, everyone can react. Let's change that. So if I go to permissions, view channels, fire, fine. Allow members to send messages, yes. Allow messages to send under threads, yes. I mean, I'm not doing threads. Public threads, embed links. Allow links that members try to allow. Sure. What's up? What's up, Pant? Attach files, yes. Add reactions. Allow members to add new emojis. Members can still react. Hold on, I don't think I'm doing this right. Hold on. I'm gonna need someone to do this for me. What's up, Pam? How are you, brother? How do I make this? Do I have to make it private? I want to make it so only people who are inside the channel can react and stuff. Only select members will be able to view. Like, not view. I want everyone to view it. Maybe I'll just make it so it's not viewable. I think you have to do this private. I think it needs to be a private channel. All right, we're gonna make it a private channel. No, but see, allow members to view this channel by default. Disabling this will make this a driver panel. So then, like, if you can't make it so only certain people can message. Like, everyone can see it unless it's private. So I'm gonna have to make it private then. So we'll make this a private channel. So let me fuck. I just made it. I'll just make it so I'll just wait for some like people to message me if they want to get in or whatever. And then I'll just make it private after. And we'll add people. Let's just post here. Add everyone. All right, there it is. I think that's good. What about this OB? That is an OB. $10 p.m. Is you, brother? You trying to get in biggest bro? What do you mean biggest bro? I'm gonna add you back though. Speaking of adding back, I have too many people added. We'll add Med, we'll add Reeks. I'll just make a list, I guess. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Reeks, I appreciate you staying tabs on me, bro. I'm gonna keep tabs on you. I'm gonna keep tabs on all the brothers. We can make sort of an inner circle. If we do get really close, there's actually another Discord. I don't think anyone even knows this, but I'll leak it to the couple people who are in here. There's like a true inner circle chat in this Discord that no one can see except my true day ones. People who were there when like I was like asking people like, yo, Top Step or Apex for my first account or some shit. So we've been there and those people, but you know, might have to add Jello, some others, but for now I'm gonna be live tomorrow, NFP. Hopefully we can catch a win tomorrow. Stay tuned till next time. Take care, Reeks. I think it's just you here, bro. Peace out, my brother.